As you see, we have the new Elk River Trauma Relief Strap. You also have the instructions, but we're going to go through how to do this, but we advise you to read the instructions.
The installation of the trauma relief strap begins with attaching the trauma relief strap pouch to one side of the harness by choking it onto a strong structural location such as the side positioning D-ring or where the leg and body straps intersect. The pouch must be attached to the harness by the choke strap. The belt loop and hook and loop tabs are for convenience to secure the pouch only.
As you see, she's just read the instructions. What you do is you undo this, which releases the ring and the choke strap. These are not used structurally. They are only to hold that and to hold this pack in place if need be. As you see, you have the pouch and you have the ring. We're going to look for where we want to attach this. There's two places that you could attach on this harness. You could attach somewhere right here on the D-ring, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to attach to this a structural point. I am right-handed, so I would want this pouch on my left side because it makes it easier for me to deploy if needed. So what you do is you find this point. It's a lot easier to put this on when it's not on your body, so I would suggest doing this beforehand. Anyway, I'm going to put this on this location, which is a good structural point. You place this where you want it, run the strap behind, and run this pouch through the strap. It's a little bit tight, but it was designed that way to hold it in place and not have any extra. As you work this through, keep it all straight so it's not, doesn't cause a point on your leg. Now, the pack is installed. You're gonna hold it up, find the same place on the left leg, the right leg, and do the same thing with the ring. You take the ring and place it where you want it to be, run this through, open up the loop, and pass the ring through the loop. Keeping everything straight again. Now you have installed. In the event of a fall, your trauma relief you will deploy it by grabbing and pulling, undoing this Velcro and pulling it out. As you see, you've got a lot of foot strap. So the first thing you do is you grab the end, find the end, pop that end into this ring. Once you get that attached, you pull this up to adjust to about 6 to 12 inches above where your feet are. You step into it, and I don't have it enough, so you pull it a little more. You step into it. This allows you to take the pressure off your femoral artery, removing the trauma from that. You may be able to get both legs in, and then you just push up.